Hi, I'm Reynolds, and today I'll be sculpting a cartoon version of me using cold porcelain. The first part of this video would be a time lapse of the whole sculpting process. I will be back on the second part for the coloring process. Enjoy. Okay, I'm back. I was able to finish this whole sculpture over 2 weekends, although I wasn't able to count the exact hours I spent to finish this, but just an estimate, probably around 5 to 6 hours combined. You wouldn't be able to finish this in one sitting since part of the process is to wait for the clay to dry. The main material for this sculpture is called porcelain or air dry clay, which I made myself using household items. I may or may not make a video tutorial on how to make cold porcelain in the future, but there are a ton of video tutorials here on YouTube, so you should be able to make one for yourself. The figure didn't end up the same look as my initial sketch on the first part, but I'm pretty satisfied on how it turned out. Since this is just a cartoon version of myself, I didn't really thought of coloring the skin based on my skin tone. Now for the clothes, I decided to use the outfit that I am usually wearing on my Instagram edits, as shown on the screen. Feel free to check on my recent Instagram posts and do follow me there. I post fun and artsy stuff if that interests you. The complete list of materials that I use on this video will be added in the video description. I will be leaving you with the rest of the coloring process and be back for the finished sculpture. So there you go. It didn't quite actually look the same as my initial sketch, but I still like how it turned out. I had fun doing this, hope you had fun watching as well. Feel free to like, share, and leave a comment, and do follow me on my other social media accounts. See you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.